How to fix the WhatsApp microphone. If it's not working, if you're trying to make a call or record a voice message in WhatsApp, but the microphone isn't showing up or working, here's how to fix it. First, open WhatsApp and tap the microphone icon at the bottom right. If you see a message saying the app doesn't have access to the microphone, you'll need to enable it in your settings. Step 1. Check microphone permissions. 1. Open the Settings app. 2. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. 3. Scroll again and tap Microphone. 4. Look for WhatsApp in the list and turn the toggle on. If you can't enable it, there's a good chance that screen time restrictions are blocking access. Step 2. Adjust screen time restrictions. Go back to the Settings main menu and tap Screen Time. 2. Scroll down and select Content and Privacy Restrictions. 3. Tap Microphone and set it to Allow Changes. 4. Alternatively, if you don't need these restrictions, you can toggle Content and Privacy Restrictions off completely. Now, return to Settings, Privacy and Security, Microphone, and check if you can enable WhatsApp access. Step 3. Reset all settings if nothing else works. If you're still having trouble, resetting your settings might help. 1. Open Settings and go to General. 2. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. 3. Select Reset, then tap Reset All Settings. This will restore all system settings to their default values, including microphone permissions, while keeping your data intact. After this, try using the WhatsApp microphone again. It should now work properly. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It really supports me.